Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to see the docs assigned to you on ClickUps. Maybe you want to know on how to see the documents that are assigned to you but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how to see your docs assigned to you on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Clickup application. Once you open your Clickup application, you'll be directed into your home page. And under below, you also see the notification icon, search icon, and then this dotted icon. In here, to see the assigned documents to you, simply tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here your workspace, your home, notification, favorites, spaces, dashboard, and docs. And now, to see the assigned docs to you, simply tap on these docs. You will see here below the assigned to me. Simply tap on it. And here, you will see the document that are assigned to you. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to see the document assigned to you, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to see the document that are assigned to you, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.